Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, Peter, and hello to all our amazing learners joining us today.
It's so good to be here with all of you. Lily, how are you doing today?
I'm doing really well. I had a peaceful morning, and I'm excited for today's lesson. How about you, Peter?
I'm fantastic. And today, we have a very useful topic, simple English conversation for beginners, something everyone needs.
Yes, simple conversations are the first step to confident speaking. Meeting new people can be scary, but the right phrases make it easy and fun.
So here's our plan for today. First, we'll listen to a short conversation, acted only by the two of us, Peter and Lily.
After listening, we will break it down step by step. We will talk about greetings, questions, simple replies, polite expressions, everything you need for a natural conversation.
And as always, we'll keep it friendly, relaxed, and fun. But before we jump into the conversation,
Please support our channel. Click like, subscribe, and share this lesson with friends who are learning English.
thank you so much. Your support helps us continue making more lessons for you. All right, Peter, are you ready?
I'm ready, and we hope you're ready too. Now, let's listen to our simple dialogue. Hello,
Hi there.
how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam. And you?
I'm from Singapore.
Wow, Singapore. I've heard it's beautiful.
It really is. You should visit someday.
I'd love to. So, what do you do?
I'm a content creator.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, very much. There's always something new.
That's great to hear.
So, what do you do in your free time?
I love reading and cooking. And you?
I enjoy walking and taking photos.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Well, it was nice talking with you.
Nice talking with you too. See you around.
Bye.
Bye.
And that was our conversation. Very simple, very natural.
Yes, and now we're going to break it down for you. Let's start with the greetings.
The first word is hello, and Lily replied, hi there. Both are perfect. Hi there sounds a bit warmer and friendlier.
Then Peter asks, how are you? This is a classic question. You will use it every day.
And Lily says, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? This is important. Ask back. It keeps the conversation going.
Yes, students, remember this. Pen. Always ask back. How about you makes you sound polite and interested.
Then we move to introductions. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Short, simple, and always correct.
After that, I ask, where are you from? This is one of the best beginner questions.
And I answer, I'm from Vietnam, and you? Again, ask back. This keeps the conversation alive.
Then comes something very important. A reaction. When Peter said Vietnam, I reacted with interest.
Yes. And when Lily said Singapore, I reacted too. Wow, Singapore. I've heard it's beautiful.
Using wow, really? That's great. Helps the conversation feel natural, friendly, and emotional.
Next, we talked about jobs. So, what do you do? Meaning, what is your job?
I said, I'm a teacher. What about you? And Peter said, he is a content creator.
Lily replied with, that sounds interesting. Students, write this phrase down. Pen, that sounds. You can say, that sounds fun. That sounds difficult. That sounds exciting.
Exactly. It shows you are listening.
Then we talked about hobbies. What do you do in your free time? Is a wonderful question to learn.
I said what I like, and Peter replied with another "that sounds" phrase. That sounds relaxing.
Finally, we ended the conversation politely. I said, "Well, it was nice talking with you."
And I said, "Nice talking with you too. See you around." Perfect, friendly ending. Welcome back, everyone. In Part 2, Peter and I will take the simple conversation from Part 1 and help you understand how to use the same phrases in many real-life situations. This section is all about building confidence, learning natural expressions, and making your English conversations smoother and friendlier. We will focus on small but powerful changes that make a big difference. So, let's get started right away.
Yes, one of the most important skills in conversation is learning how to keep the flow going. In English, conversations sound natural when both people take turns, react to each other, and ask follow-up questions. For example, if someone says, "I had a busy morning," you can respond with something like, "Oh, really? What happened?" Or, "Busy mornings can be tough. What were you working on?" These small questions show interest and invite the other person to talk more.
Another useful technique is using reaction words. These are short expressions that show emotion or interest. For example, "Wow, really? That's great. That sounds nice." And, "Oh, I see." Many learners forget these expressions, but they are extremely important because they make the conversation feel warm and natural. Imagine someone tells you, "I enjoy painting." If you simply say, "Okay," the conversation ends. But if you say, "Wow, painting, that sounds wonderful. What do you like to paint?" the conversation grows.
Exactly. And here's another tip. Avoid giving answers that are too short. Many beginners say only yes, no, or I don't know. Instead, try to expand your answers. For example, instead of yes, say, "Yes, I do. I really enjoy it because it helps me relax." Instead of no, say, "No, not really, but I want to try it someday." This makes your English sound more confident and friendly.
All right, let's practice with a short sample conversation that shows how to expand your answers. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I especially love making pasta because it's easy and delicious.
That sounds great. How often do you cook?
Almost every day. Cooking helps me relax after work.
This is a simple example, but it shows how a conversation becomes richer when you add extra information. Now, let's talk about ending conversations politely. Many learners end too suddenly, which can feel rude. A natural way to signal the end is to begin with the word "well." This small word tells the listener that the conversation is closing soon. For example, "Well, it was nice talking with you." Other friendly endings include, "I should get going," "Hope to see you again," "Take care," or "Let's talk again soon." These phrases help you finish your conversation smoothly and politely.
Great! Next, let's look at how to continue conversations when you feel nervous or don't know what to say. A very helpful strategy is to ask simple questions about everyday things. How was your day? What are your plans for the weekend? Do you like this cafe? Have you been here before? These questions are easy, safe, and always work. Even native speakers use them all the time.
To help you practice, let's create a mini dialogue right now. Listen and pay attention to how we use small reactions, questions, and friendly phrases. "Hi, Peter. How's your day going?"
Pretty good. I spent the morning editing a new video. How about you?
"I'm doing well. I just finished reading a book."
Nice. What book were you reading?
"It's a novel about travel. It's really inspiring."
That sounds interesting. Do you like travel stories?
"Yes, I love them. They always make me want to explore new places."
Same here. Well, I should get going, but it was great talking with you.
Great talking with you too. See you later.
Notice how simple everything is. No complicated grammar, no difficult vocabulary, just friendly questions, natural reactions, and polite endings. If you learn these patterns, you can talk to anyone easily.
Before we wrap up, let's give you a small practice exercise. Think of one hobby you enjoy. Then, say 3 things about it and create one question you can ask someone else. For example, I love traveling. I enjoy visiting new cities. I usually travel during holidays. What places do you like to visit? This simple exercise helps you build fluency and confidence.
And now, we are reaching the end of part 2. We hope that this lesson helps you feel more confident and excited to start real conversations in English. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need curiosity, kindness, and the courage to speak.
If you enjoyed this episode, please help support our channel by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends. It really helps us grow and create more lessons for you.
And don't forget to answer today's question in the comments. What do you like to do in your free time?
We can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for learning with Peter and Lily.
See you in the next episode. Take care, everyone, and happy learning.